Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very quick update on our F90 M5. If you've been following the channel, you would have seen that we've got various RKP carbon parts on the car, including the front lip, the rear diffuser and the rear spoiler. The final piece of the RKP jigsaw has arrived today, and this is the RKP carbon fiber side blades, which will complete the look on the car. These have been sent over to us by our good friends at I&D. It took us around 5 minutes to unpack them. They packed them so well. So if you look down there, that's all the packaging for these two pieces of carbon fiber. So I'm going to offer them up to the car, see what they look like, and then we'll get Aston to actually fit them. Just have a quick look while you're here, Matt, at the quality of the carbon. Obviously, I know a bit about carbon myself through eVenturi and the Evolve Carbon Airbox. These are up there with anything I've seen in terms of quality. Okay, it's so long. Ugh. Okay, let's put them up here. So that's going to give you an idea of what they look like. Let's get Aston to fit them so we can see what they actually look like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you'd like to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you'd like to watch what YouTube suggests you might like from our other videos, you can watch that over here. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comment section and we'll do our best to answer them for you.